compare yourself with other people because you don't know how many times they have failed, what hurdles they have crossed. Compare yourself with what you were a few days ago. Aren't you much smarter now? Much experienced? Well, exactly, that's what failure gives you.
Your self-doubt does not define who you are, and it definitely does not define what you're capable of.
When you communicate with others, sharing the message with empathy, care, and thought helps you make the other person listen to your point much more.
Now, for goal setting, obviously we need to acquire a goal. A goal in dictionary terms is something that you are trying to reach or achieve.
So, if you see someone while you're presenting not paying attention, you just ask them a question about their opinion and they'll just start to pay attention. It works like a miracle and it's really effective.
Barack Obama once said, "The ability to stand in someone else's shoes, to see the world from their point of view, this is how peace begins." Empathy is a great quality that has the ability to change the world.
Our mind and body have a powerful connection. So if you're acting physically confident, your mind will follow along.
Whatever you're doing, never stop doing it, and one day you will surely reach your goal.
You should never be sad when you fail. You should be ready for the next contest or tournament.
All of us have hopes and dreams, right? But we know that throwing a nickel in a wishing well won't fulfill them. We need passion, determination, and hard work. Fail 1,000 times, but never give up. See, I have failed more than 25 times, but the 26th time, I've solved the cube.
Good communication is more than just about saying the right thing, but is also about how clearly and concisely you deliver your messages to the audience.